pretty good meeting for having a mayor in a wheelchair. Sorry, one last thing. We still want singing and dancing to be illegal, guys. Right?
Yes!
Yeah, they're bad, right? Cool. Okay, well, I think that's about it. There's nothing else. There's nothing else that's going to happen, so we can just pretty much stop.
Hey! I'm a street smart dancing fool with just one friend.
Hello.
I just moved into this town, and I'm looking for fun. The trouble kind of fun.
Yeah, Kevin!
Yeah, I'm Kevin. What's there to do in this town besides be sad your mother just died?
God, I'm sorry about that.
You don't know me!
Pardon, sirs. I'm a former nun who's just arrived, 97, unloved Jew. Formerly unloved, I should say. Oh, Lydia. Yes, Lieseloo. Formerly unloved Lieseloo. Formerly unloved Lieseloo. Yes'm. Say, what's there to sing in this town?
Okay, besides not knowing what that means, I should tell you guys that singing and dancing are illegal here.
Jump back!
Godzooks.
I knew I live here.
Doesn't that law seem a tad silly to you?
It's bullshit, and so are you!
We have had our fair share of trouble make with this sort of thing, not the least of which was that swindler who tried to start a marching band.
Pool tables are bad, and I wrote a song about it.
Oh, we got trouble!
Yeah, you know, we're super serious about this. Look, Lydia, why did the nuns fire you?
Well, for too much singing.
And how did your mom die?
She was danced to death.
But what's one to even do with oneself in this town?
Nothing sounds like.
Don't say that. Just because Prohibition never got turned off here, so there is no alcohol, and the cable is out everywhere, and no one can figure out the Wi-Fi, and the library just keeps burning down.
That happened like 5 times.
I can't recall the last time I saw a book.
Yeah, someone's definitely doing it, but but we can only legalize one of those.
Well, that's easy. Dancing? Wait, what?
We can vote on this at the next town meeting.
Well, okay, what are we supposed to do?
Only what your friends do. I bet you guys got your own stuff going on.
Yeah, I mean, I race tractors or something.
And I might be dating a Nazi.
We're not going to be sure about any of that, okay? Just remember that. Awesome.
Did you say that dancing is better than singing?
Yeah, like a million times better.
How dare you? Dancing is rubbish.
Singing is shit trash, and so are you.
Prove it!
We wouldn't want him, his father refusing to say goodnight to us whilst we beg. This is possible.
It's about a third of the way over, and I'll see you later.
Hi, bud, down